How to fix no longer have access to these Facebook problem not showing up. So if you're recovering an account, or if you're logging in or doing something on the Facebook page, and if you don't have an option of no longer have access to these on your Facebook, then what you need to do is, the first thing you need to do is just update your browser or update your Facebook application, wherever you're using or whichever app you're using. So just simply go with your Play Store, go with the search, and under your search you need to search for Facebook, and if you have any updates, update your Facebook, or you can just simply go with your Chrome browser or Google, anything like that that you're using, and then make sure to update the applications. Once you've updated, now even after updating, if that still doesn't fix your problem, then you can simply go with your Wi-Fi. So make sure to disconnect your Wi-Fi and then connect to a mobile network, or if you're using your mobile network, then simply toggle it off and choose your Wi-Fi network, and your problem might be fixed. Make sure that you have a stable internet connection. And you need to go and turn on your location. Once you turn on your location, your problem might be fixed. And the next thing you need to do is simply tap and hold on to your browser. Go with the app info option. Under app info, you need to go with storage and cache and tap on clear cache. And after doing all of these settings, you just need to simply restart your device. Press and hold on to your power button and restart your device, and after restarting, your problem will be fixed. So that's how you can fix no longer have access to these Facebook problem not showing. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.